This is William Paris, Director of Sales and Marketing at TRYP Times Square South. TRYP itself is one of the brands under the Wyndham Hotel Group. There are about 100 or more TRYP hotels located in Europe, South America. There's also one in Quebec City, Panama City, and in Costa Rica. But this is the first TRYP hotel located right here in New York City, the first one in the United States. Our three brand pillars for the TRYP brand are cosmopolitan essence, Mediterranean flavor, and energetic spirit. What adds to the TRYP experience and for our guests is the fact that our employees are really passionate about our city. Myself, I'm a native New Yorker. I've lived here my entire life, and I like things like sunset sailing. I may not necessarily do everything that the tourist does, but one thing that never gets old in New York City is Central Park. New Yorkers, we do Central Park. It's great in the summer, it's beautiful in the winter, but that's just something that I'm very passionate about. Now, another thing that we like to offer our guests is what we experience in New York. As an example, someone might be passionate about shopping, or they might be passionate about entertainment or restaurants. When our guest comes in, we want them to experience the best that New York City has to offer. So we're very open to engage our customers with what we really enjoy in New York City. So we talk, even in our lobby, which we don't really like to refer to as the lobby, it's actually Plaza Central, because that's a place where the guests come together. That's a chance for us to meet the guests, to talk about what's important to them. And then we can share our own personal experiences as New Yorkers, so that when they walk out that door, they know exactly what they're looking for, and they're going to get the best that New York City has to offer.